SAW company takes biggest drone in Africa to test flight stage.
Welcome to the captivating world of Kivu-Up experience. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey filled with adventure, knowledge, and inspiration. Join our vibrant community as we delve into the realms of exploration, uncovering the beauty of diverse cultures, and embracing the spirit of endless discovery. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to become part of this extraordinary expedition.
Investment decisions. Less than 4 years after private South African aerospace and defense company Milcor started development of what would be the biggest drone yet built in Africa, the Milcor 380 took to the skies for the first time about a month ago. Regular test flights are now being undertaken at the military testing grounds in the Overberg in the Western Cape. Drones help Kumba fight disruptions on key iron ore line, July 2023. Milcor, a company with more than 500 employees, 80% of whom are engineers, hopes to have 4 of these drones, complete with communication and control systems, ready for the market by the end of the year. SAW well positioned. South Africa is one of about 10 countries with the capability to build drones of this size for military applications, says Neil du Plessis, head of business development at Milcor. He says the company is extremely proud of reaching this milestone in a relatively short time and ascribes it to the ability of the company to bring together the right team to single-mindedly develop and integrate all the different components of such a complex project. Many of the engineers working on the project are still in their 20s and work side by side with experienced mentors. The development of the Milcor 380 was done in South Africa, and most of the manufacturing is done at the Milcor plants in Cape Town. The drone has a wingspan of 18.6 meters and is able to fly non-stop for 35 hours. It has a reach of 2,000 kilometers at a maximum height of 9,000 meters. A team of 3, usually a pilot, payload operator and commander, control it from the ground. It is fitted with high-resolution infrared cameras and is ideal for day and night observation. It can zoom in if the operator wants a clearer view of anything, and the information is sent to the control room right away. Size counts. Du Plessis says size does count with drones, as it determines the equipment the aircraft can carry. Some of the sensors are heavy. A bigger aircraft can carry more sensors and even weapons. The Milcor 380 can be used for observation, gathering of intelligence, reconnaissance and attack. Applications include border control, conservation, combating poaching on land and at sea, and securing assets at sea like oil and gas rigs. It is being marketed as a complete system that includes the unmanned aircraft, control room, maintenance program, logistical support regarding spares and fuel, as well as training of up to a year for the operators and infrastructure for land-based and satellite communication. Amazon starts delivering medications by drone in Texas City, October 2023. The company does not disclose the price tag, which is also dependent on the specifications of every client, but Du Plessis says it will be hundreds of millions of rands. Milcor is in negotiations with prospective buyers and the latest milestone will definitely strengthen the offering, he says. The Milcor 380 will also be available to the South African National Defence Force, depending on the results of highly regulated tests done in conjunction with the South African Air Force. Du Plessis says the components and systems developed in a project of this magnitude have numerous other applications which makes it a catalyst for technological development. The Milcor 380 at a glance. Wingspan 18.6 meters. Length 9 meters. Maximum reach 2,000 kilometers. Maximum height 9,000 kilometers. Operating height 7,000 meters. Endurance 35 hours non-stop. Maximum load 210 kilograms. Maximum speed 250 kilometers per hour. Operating speed 110 to 150 kilometers per hour.